Alright, there's the time date. This is the elevator at the Please Touch Museum, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And today, we have Julia Loeb. She's a friend of mine I used to know for a very long time. Say hi to all my viewers on YouTube.
Hi.
Like I said, I have no idea what brand this elevator is. Maybe some elevator enthusiasts can tell me what brand it is. But it has monitors and controls WBR fixtures, and it was installed on October 18th, 2008. Go and push the L button. Here it comes. And here it is.
We downstairs to pizza. We go to pizza restaurant.
And yes, this elevator could have been made glass. Go ahead and press the button for the main level. Which real close swing push button, I like that. Here at ML. Now send it back down to the lower level. I love that mechanical bell. You're back at LL. It's okay if we go up one more time? Now this is a very nice motor. Going down? While we're up here, we'll go ahead and get a cab view. This is a very nice elevator. And guess who's riding with me today? It's the one and only Julia Loeb. Over here you have monitor controls, WBR fixtures. And here we go back down. That was a quick ride. By the way, I like to call these floors LL for lower level and ML for main level instead of G and 1 because that's how this museum's laid out. Now, Julia, can you stand next to the buttons? I'm going to take a picture of you. Got it. So, Julia, what do you think of these? What do you think of this elevator?
It's pretty cool.
I do like that mechanical bell. You can hear it on some vintage elevators like this. And there it goes. And that's it. Say bye, Julia.
Bye.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.